left Iraqi Kurdistan. 8 months have passed and I've packed my life into backpacks again. I moved to Iraqi Kurdistan last December. I've experienced its freezing and rainy winter, the beautiful green and blossoming spring, and the unbearably hot summer. During this time, I've learned and seen a lot. I've tested myself in a new sector, but realized that regardless of what I do, journalism keeps calling me back. I've significantly improved my Arabic reading skills, despite being in the wrong part of the country to study this language. Unfortunately, that meant that I had been constantly frustrated for not understanding Kurdish, which is the most prominent language around here. Traveling quite extensively around the region, although much still remains to be seen, I've enjoyed its stunning nature and learned about its history, both recent and ancient. I've been drawn into the local culture through observing celebrations of different ethnic groups and being nearly forcibly fed with various combinations of rice and meat. Playing board games, picnicking and hiking, I've seen how locals enjoyed their free time. Hearing Iranian drones, flying over my neighborhood, and passing through countless checkpoints on an everyday basis gave me an insight into the local political situation. I know that there's still much to learn about this part of the world, which, unfortunately, once again seems to be on the brink of a bigger conflict. Nevertheless, I hope that I'll be able to come back in the future. I finally want to visit federal Iraq, which I couldn't visit this time due to visa restrictions. Yes, one country requires different visas for different regions. But for now, I have other plans. I'm moving to Sweden, where I'm going to pursue my master's degree in, guess what? Middle Eastern Studies. I'm really looking forward to it. I want to thank you all for following this channel. Your views and comments motivated me to create new videos. I hope you enjoyed my content. I will not be based in Iraqi Kurdistan anymore to post about my local experiences, but I have new plans for this channel, so stay tuned, especially if you are curious about the Arabic language. But for now, goodbye.